Alright, if you are told to view this document, then that means that when you took the Checkpoint 5 or you retook the Checkpoint 5 quiz back in December or here in January, we did not notice improvement. So what we're going to do together is walk through every problem so that you have a good understanding of what each problem is asking you to find. And so I see that I have a little bit of a focusing problem, so let me go ahead and focus that in clearly for you. And we're going to get started. So number 1 says the hundredths model is shaded to represent an expression. So I see here that this whole thing represents a whole. And it says which expression is represented by this model. So back in December when we were looking at decimals and we were talking about shading things appropriately, and I can see that again I'm not focused in really well, so let me just adjust my camera for just a sec. There we go. We did some cross shading models, which is exactly what I see in front of me. So what you need to do with your pencil right now is you need to count that we have 1, 2, 3 tenths going down horizontally, which is shaded by this light gray area. Then I'm going to look vertically and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths shaded vertically. And remember, it is that overlapping part between the 6 tenths and the 3 tenths that we want to count. And so this is part of a part. So I'm going to go ahead and write that action here, part of a part, and part of a part means multiply. So when we think about 3 tenths part of 6 tenths, it is that overlapping piece that we're talking about. And so I'm going to be quickly looking at my answers, which means which expression is represented by this model. And the expression represented by this model is this one right here. 6 tenths times 3 tenths. And if I were to go back and count these pieces, the reason why it is multiplication is because we have equal amounts going across. Where we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So that would give me 18 hundredths as an answer, if that's what I was looking for as an answer.